beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing, going to be doing some customization and an install of this unit. This is everything that you will be receiving in the package if you do decide to purchase this particular hair. As always, I will be providing you with all the information down below to go view this hair and also the shop. Here I'm showing you guys the inside of the cap and how it comes. It is a T-part wig, so you do have limited parting space. And this wig is actually perfect for beginners, anyone that doesn't know a lot about customizing or doing wigs, and you still want that nice sleek look. You can achieve that easy with a T-part wig, and there's not really any customization that needs to be done to the unit. You really don't even have to pluck it, but I decided to pluck this unit. I didn't show you guys on camera, but I did pluck it fairly, just a little bit, not really much, just to make it go down in the front because it was a little dense. And that's pretty much all I did to customize it as far as plucking. I also went in with my Got to Be Glue spray and Vaseline to seal the knot so that I wouldn't get the color onto the lace. And this method actually works really well. You will do 3 coats of this. So first you use your Got to Be Glue spray, then you use your Vaseline, and in between you have to dry it, but you go back in on top with your Got to Be Glue spray, and it seals the knots perfectly and the color does not bleed through. You also want to make sure that you have gloves as well, because the color can transfer to your nails, but since it is water dye, it does come off fairly fast. It doesn't really stain your hands like that, so that's a positive thing. To give you guys some more details on this hair, it is 12 inches, 130% density, and I think it is a Brazilian texture. I'll be linking all that information down below, but those are the specs on the hair. It also dyes very easily, as you can see here on camera when I do the dip dye. I only had to dip it a few times and it picked up the color very well. It also does not shed a lot. And I will say that since the hair is not as thick as 150% density, then it is easy to manipulate and cut it, and also do blunt cuts with it. So this would be a perfect unit for you if you are going to do a color on it, and then also if you're going to do a shorter blunt cut, this would be perfect. comes to customizing this wig, it was fairly easy. All I did was go in with my blow dried the hair, and then after that I did go over it and I flat ironed it with my BioSilk just to give it that really sleek look. I also cut the ends to make it more of a complete cut because it did look jagged and it was very thin at the ends, so I just wanted the look to come all together. As far as the front, you want to make sure that you're parting out the very front so that you can pre-part some baby hairs, and if you do this method, it's going to be much easier for you to style, and so that's how I did it. So I suggest anybody that's a beginner to part out the baby hairs first, braid them up, and then when you apply it to your hair, just glue it on there. And after that, after it's already glued on, put the baby hairs up and cut the lace, and then lay the baby hairs back down, cut them and style them. So if you guys want more information on how to do that, I could show you guys in another clip, but I showed you guys a little bit of this in my video, but I didn't get to show you guys as much because my camera lost some of the footage. So I was so disappointed that some of the things did not transfer, but pretty much I'm showing you how I did the customization and all of that. Now that the wig has been customized, I just transferred it to my head and started the process of applying it and making sure that it was going to stay put. So I'm using my oil spray to do so, and it didn't really take much. My camera did cut off. I thought it was recording, so some of this is not captured, but pretty much it's just a simple install, and I didn't have to do much to get this wig to lay down, and I just bumped it a little bit and that was it. Beautiful, these are the final results. I'm so sorry again that my camera let me down today, but pretty much I hope this video helped you guys see how I customize this unit. I do have another T-part unit that I will be showing you guys more in detail how to customize, so please stay tuned for that. As always, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I would love to know what you guys think of this color. Bye.